Hi there, this is Jasmine from Hair Factory. Bond straight hair is always the best-selling item most time not only in our factory but also in other hair companies. And in the future, bond straight hair will become more and more popular. But not everyone knows how to take care of bond straight hair properly. So I'm here today and can't wait to share with you guys 3 care tips for bond straight hair. The tip number 1, when you receive the bond straight hair from our shipping company, usually the hair is formed to fit the package. So when you take the bond straight hair out of the box, you might see the bond straight hair looks a bit messy. So please check it first. You will see the hair will come into its texture. Tip number 2. Please remember to apply the hair serum to add moisture to the hair before combing it. When you detangle the hair, please start at the bottom and work the way up to the roots. The characteristic of human hair is easy to get tangled at the tail, so please comb it first. Do not do the opposite, so you will see that the hair will set like crazy. Lastly, the bond straight hair may be dry, greasy, and dirty from the dust in the air, and easy to get tangled due to the dryness. Regular waxing and conditioning will help to avoid this issue. Therefore, when you find that your hair is getting dry, don't hesitate to wash it and add some master conditioner to add moisture to the hair. I think our customer who have buy bond straight hair and face with this problem before will know the best way to treat the bond straight hair. So I will attack some advice from my customer for bond straight hair so you can consult from it. So, if you have any question about how to take care of bond straight hair or want to deal with the wholesale order, please contact me on the WhatsApp number in the description box. Thanks for watching.